Training missions at Robins Air Force Base are intense, hands-on exercises designed to prepare airmen for the harsh realities of combat. Last week, crews used live explosives to damage an F-15 fighter jet, simulating what happens when an aircraft is hit by a missile strike during wartime. Jasmine Lee shows us how the damage was done and why preparing for the worst could be the key to saving lives and aircraft.
That blast was part of a combat training simulation at Robins Air Force Base, testing how crews respond when an F-15 fighter jet takes serious damage. The F-15 aircraft is designed for speed, power, and precision in combat.
This is a F-15C model that we performed our explosive damage on.
Tech Sergeant Robert Ice is an aircraft battle damage repair instructor. He teaches Air Force mechanics how to fix war-damaged aircraft and the kinds of tough, high-stress conditions they'd face during a real deployment.
What we did was we secured the cannon to the top of the intake right here. We fired it downward, essentially simulating a ballistic missile going through the intake of the aircraft.
The device, a stainless steel cannon that was designed on base by Robins' own electronics maintenance and explosive ordnance disposal teams. It's the first time the Air Force has used this kind of firepower for hands-on training.
They'll be wearing chem gear, gas mask, their peripheral vision is already very narrowed, and it's dark out here. So when they're doing their checks and everything like that, they're out here with flashlights and they have a much more narrowed scope of vision.
Repairs were done at night to simulate real war zone conditions. Maintainers tackled repairs, fabricating missing parts, and sealing blast damage with what they had on hand.
We're going to fix the jet well enough to get back into the fight, and then ultimately, months down the road, whenever the aircraft do come home from their deployment, they'll get permanent repairs then.
This may be the first time they've trained this way, but it won't be the last.
We want the people here to practice the worst possible scenario in a controlled environment.
Reporting in Warner Robins, Jasmine Lee, 13 WMAZ News.
Robins Air Force Base says it's the first to test the simulation method. Instructors say it proves their maintenancers are ready for anything.